Morning guys, it is Bank Holiday Monday, Donington Park for Drift Pro. We have just gone through scrutineering. The boys are now giving the Z a bit of a clean up just to make sure the dust is off, and I've had the first drive of the Quaife. It was only into second gear, but yeah, I think this thing is going to give me an education in the wine, but man, it's that's definitely going to get the adrenaline going on the first few laps this morning. So yeah, weather's looking fairly standard at the moment, but nice breeze. Get rid of that smoke because they're going to be sending us out in very tight packs this morning because we only got 15 minutes of practice. So yeah, we've got to be on that line from the get-go. Did a track walk last night with the guys as well, so it's good to go and have a look at that. Got another one this morning, so we'll see what they've changed overnight. But yeah, looking forward to it. Obviously we've got some good faith in the Z after the Nürburgring, which I hope you've been watching the vlogs of, so and enjoyed those. So yeah, should be a good one today. Looking forward to it. Let's get out there. Okay, so in after our very few laps of practice, I think I had 3. Unfortunately, I'm going to say unfortunately now because I got a little bit carried away, didn't brake and ended up beaching myself on the tyres. I think I did Yogi proud by not braking and going in full backwards, but I think next time I need to dial it back just a little bit. But good news is the Quaife is an absolute animal. It sounds so good, it's so nice punching up through the gears, and yeah, the car itself, apart from me obviously sending it off into the tyres backwards, is amazing. So yeah, got a little bit of time. Quali's up next. We'll put on a better show. There's Mr. Quaife himself. But yeah, let's pray for a couple of better laps. We've got a bit of smoke to deal with in the cab as well. So we'll get on with that now, be ready for Quali and have it from there. Okay, so quali is done, and I didn't hit the tyres. Woo! So yeah, happy with that one. First lap was better than second, but anyway, building confidence in the car again, getting used to the gearbox, and yeah, just building from there. So see what happens next, see where we qualified, and yeah, let's get into some battles. I really want to actually get stuck on some people's doors with this thing. So yeah, fingers crossed we happen, and fingers crossed we do some good battles in a minute. Okay, so qualifying results are in. I qualified 8th, so that puts me up against 9th place qualifier, Mr. Hayden Cruikshank. Again, another massive V8 supercharged torque and horsepower battle. So yeah, we're going to try our damnedest to remove all of the tarmac off this circuit. So yeah, good luck to you, my man. See you out on the circuit. Ready? Yes. Oh, thank you. Sorry. Still wobbling the gear stick to try neutral. Right, here goes. So back in from the top scene singing battle with Hayden, he tapped me on initiation, and then we smoked out the place. I think it was, took a little bit of a vibe from Hayden with all of his clouds that he's made in the past. So I think that we're through to top 8. Just wanting confirmation from the guys. It is starting to rain, which is getting a bit changeable now, but the boys are just tyres, fuel, all the usual, and we're back out for top 8, fingers crossed. guys, that is the top 8 battles done. First off against Mr. Vastin, quality battle. I could not believe how fast that little car was. I was trying my hardest to keep up with him. I think he may have made a slight mistake behind me, which then allowed me to go through to the top 4, where I then had the infamous Ollie Evans. Got him on the closest battle I've ever had, so 5-5 on his lead, with me chasing, and then a 6-4 when he was chasing me. So got him the closest, 1 point in it this time. Definitely have you at Brands, man. And then it was through to the 3rd, 4th battle, so it's finally got a battle with me and Louis, and yeah, that was astonishing. The driving that kid, epic. The exit to the final corner, my arm was well out the window when we were smoking the place out. So regardless, again, we've pushed on well today. Really happy with the car, really happy with the new gearbox, and happy in my own abilities growing still. So yeah, time to do a few repairs. Silverstone in a couple of weeks time, and then it will be Brands Hatch. So we'll see what the results are, and we'll catch you later on.
Drivers, the massive improvements every single round is very impressive, so let's give a round of applause to our drivers. You might not all be on the podium, but you're on the podium in my heart, my internal podium. So let's see you, Alexa. In 3rd place we have Ian Biz Phillips. Important to awards. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your place. Very well earned. If anything, the colours match the suit, so there we go. Next up, let's get the nice photograph. Keep it all together, get the hat on. Three, 2, 1, hey! And 6 for the Drift Pro Championship, Donington. Round of applause!
Hey everybody! Hey! 3rd place! Woo! Yeah, so that was a cracking battle up against Louis. Learned a lot from that guy, but it was so nice to go and stand on the podium and get all the pictures. So yeah, a lot learned today from this weekend, and a lot we're going to take into Brands. But now I'll sign off, flash through a few pictures and stuff like that, and we'll see you guys in a couple of weeks. Come on everyone! Yeah.